Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick action pose tutorial, and in this we are going to concentrate on an action as in scene partly from the back, and you will be surprised by how easily you are able to put this together with just a basic set of lines. So that arc and this arc right there started off, that arc in that direction, and then let's put an oval here and an arc, circles, arc and arc, and here a circle, an arc like that, an arc, and that way we round off our lines. And yes, we are going to put in an oval somewhere here. Now let's remind ourselves again that this is from the back, and what we are really showing is a figure that is in action, perhaps withstanding something that is going toward him. And I'm going to draw along those lines, and we'll try our best to so as you have guessed that is the upper part of the torso arcing forward, and I round off that with a fist. This hand I follow along the lines. There was a reason I put it in that manner, because we are doing a little perspective here. And there's the other fist. You could have an open hand, but I think in this pose a fist looks better. We'll come back to the head later. We'll put the separating line in the back somewhere there, and then we concentrate on the legs, and I'm going to work quickly to put this down. And here you could have a foot going that way. This leg could even be more outstretched, but it'll be visible a little differently because it is in the background against this one. So it could be a little smaller, but it doesn't have to be, because it's not that much apart. And that will be the other foot. And as you can see, now you can do a lot of things with the head here. You could have him, if you want to show as if he's been hit by some kind of energy field, you could have I'm going to use a light red for this. You could have the head tilting backward, and if it's looking here, or if it was looking in that direction, it will be somewhere like that, with the ear coming in around here. Or you could have him looking forward, and in that case I'm going to use a different color pencil there, and in that case the head is tilting forward and looking, and the eyes will be there somewhere, the ear over here, and he's looking at the object. Or even if it's tilting back, the head could even be tilting back like that way. Just the back of the head showing with the ears over here. And I think that you do understand that all those little details that we put in is a matter of what our goal is. So, and then of course when you put in all the inks, the back is a complex area to shade, so this is not really a practice that we're doing today in terms of inking, but I'm just like illustrating very, very quickly that when you put in the inks and the shadows, it will enhance it will enhance the drawing and the overall effect. And of course you will have to take care where that light is coming from in that case, and it is very important in case you are reflecting that the figure has been hit by a beam or a shadow, or by some sort of energy, then he will have that light effect is going to really count in making the image that much more spectacular for your own purpose. So I hope that this was of some help. Thank you very much for watching. That's a quick action pose done right there. Please have fun practicing. Google lots of images. Please do subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.